Hello everyone, welcome back to a random series that I just thought that might be a very good thing. Now, in this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of an experiment, which is called the solids, liquids and gases. In this video, I'm going to be showing you that. And so let's get started. So the first thing that we have is a liquid. So the first thing that we have is a liquid, and now it's just simple plain water you would normally have from a drinking tap, and then we have a solid. Anyway, the second thing that we have is a solid. And then we have in the atmosphere, I can't show you now because it will be toxic to show you, because in the war times there were like a gas called toxic, called mustard gas, that used to hurt your lungs and burn them, and so yeah, that wouldn't be very good in this room. And yeah, so we're gonna be sure. And now those are the things. Now, what particles does a solid have? Now, this is my solid, which is normal pen that you would use for everyday pen. Now, in a solid, the particles are all close together in a straight lines or rows and stuff like that. And in a liquid, here, in a liquid, the particles are always in a random position, but they're always close together. And yeah, so that's that. And in the atmosphere, the particles, which is the gas, in other words, which is a better scientific word, in the atmosphere, which is slush gas, we would have the particles would be all scattered round, never close together. They hate themselves, let's say. So yeah, particles would always be separated out, and yeah, and they would never touch each other. They would be bouncing around everywhere. And yeah, so what you breathe in, well, in other words, let's say this to a little bit easier what a gas is. Now, a gas is technically like what you breathe in and out. So yeah, and yeah, let's have a look at some different now a solid. Let me just move my camera around a little bit. A solid is basically like a wood, for example. This is just my leg of my desk that I use for recording stuff. And so yeah, for example, a piece of wood is a solid. Now, everything that you can touch, everything that you can touch, but that you can't go through. For example, this, which is the liquid, you can go through it, but you can touch it. So that would be a liquid. And a solid, which is again my trusty pen, you can touch it, but you can't actually go through it. Now, and a gas, you can go through it, but you can't actually. Well, you can see it in some way, because there is like gases and stuff that you can see, like the poison mustard gas, but we're not going to show you that because it's a little bit dangerous to, as I said. So yeah. And so yeah, this is coming to a little approachment on the end of the video. So as a reminder, please do look out for these things, and thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.